Welcome to Stack Smarter. We test the AI tools so you only pay for the good ones. A full-service marketing agency easily runs $3,000 a month for strategy, copy, SEO, video scripts, and campaign management. Most solopreneurs and small teams cannot justify that cost. Today we rank 5 real AI tools that together handle content, search optimization, video production, talking head ads, and long-form writing. These are affiliate-supported picks we actually tested on client-style projects. You will see exactly what each tool delivers, honest pricing, and the single weakness that could make you skip it. By the end, you will know which stack replaces an agency without the retainer. We start at number 5. Jasper is an AI writing platform built for marketing teams that need on-brand copy fast. It is best for solopreneurs and small agencies producing emails, ads, landing pages, and social content every week. Key features include brand voice training on your past work, 50-plus templates for specific formats like Facebook ads or SEO blog outlines, and a Chrome extension that rewrites text inside Google Docs or WordPress. It also offers collaboration so a freelancer can hand off drafts to a client for quick feedback. One honest weakness is that Jasper still hallucinates facts on technical topics, so you must fact-check everything. Pricing starts at $39 monthly for the basic plan and jumps to $125 for business teams. Skip it if you only need short social posts and refuse to edit AI output. So for SEO is an on-page optimization tool that analyzes top-ranking pages and gives you a content score plus keyword recommendations in real time. It is best for bloggers and content creators who want search traffic without hiring an SEO specialist. Standout features include the content editor that suggests headings and word counts, the keyword research module with SERP gaps, and AI writing integration that turns outlines into first drafts inside Google Docs. You also get page audits that flag missing entities and internal link opportunities. The honest weakness is the learning curve. New users often over-optimize and produce robotic copy. Plans begin at $89 per month, billed yearly. Skip Surfer if you publish fewer than 4 long-form pieces a month and do not care about ranking. HeyGen creates AI avatars that speak your script in multiple languages with realistic lip sync. It is best for coaches and SaaS founders who want personalized video outreach or product explainers without filming crews. Highlights include instant avatar creation from a short selfie video, 40-plus stock avatars, translation into 70 languages, and templates for sales emails that auto-generate matching video thumbnails. You can also change backgrounds and add subtitles in one click. The clear weakness is that avatars still look slightly digital on close-ups, which can hurt trust in high-ticket B2B sales. Plans start at $29 monthly. Skip HeyGen if your audience expects raw, unpolished founder videos or you need live streaming. Writesonic combines long-form writing, SEO optimization, and chatbot features in one dashboard. It is our top pick for anyone trying to replace an entire marketing agency because it handles research, outlines, full articles, ad copy, and even landing page generation with built-in GPT-4. Best features are the real-time SERP analysis inside the editor, one-click repurposing of blogs into tweets or emails, and the brand voice custom model that learns from your best pieces. It also offers an AI art generator for social thumbnails. The single honest weakness is occasional repetitive phrasing that requires human editing on long pieces. Pricing begins at $20 monthly. Use Writesonic if you publish regularly and want one tool to cover most written deliverables before adding video tools. Writesonic takes the top spot because it covers the widest range of agency-style writing tasks at the lowest price while integrating SEO directly into the workflow. Pair it with Pictory for video and Surfer for deeper keyword research and you have replaced 80% of a $3,000 retainer. Start with the Writesonic $20 plan. Test one client project end-to-end, then layer on HeyGen or Jasper only where the gap shows up. Subscribe to Stack Smarter for weekly tool breakdowns that keep your stack lean and profitable. Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Arthur C. Clarke.